Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and today I will actually be making the Dora look. So, let's get right into it. Gang. Okay, so the only thing that I need is the Converses right here. So let's look up Dora's look. I already know what her look looks like, but let's just look her up though. Okay guys, so this is Dora right here. Dora. And you know, I already have her look once. This is the look for it, but I'm just about to get these white. And yeah, they're just white. Converses. Okay, so I just bought them. Add them to my wishy, but I didn't. Ooh, I'm about to buy that shirt. This one. Really quick, I'm about to buy this. But I'm gonna add it to my wishy. Dang, this is not even that cute, and that's 24. It's freaking something. It's like, no. Okay. I'm scared of it. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm about to put on the look. I already have it on, but I'm about to change the animation because I don't know. So, I barely have animations. Please don't make fun of me. Oh, bought these. So what does Dora do anyway? Should I get an animation like that? Oh, I should buy this. Dora outfit. Ooh. Okay, so she puts her hands up all the time. So let's try one like that. Ew. Ugly. I like this one though. No, because they're not going to be able to see my filter. Dora is not spooky, so no. I like that one though. No. Dora's really not spooky. So I did get the D-pad before everybody. But, you know, I have the dress, but my sister's stupid. She needs to count because we got hacked and all that, but I don't care. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, though. Thank you so much. This is my backup, and I have another backup as your VIP. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I'm so glad. Please, like, subscribe, and all that, please. And leave a like down. And comment down whatever you like to say. Well, bye. Love you.